Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see some exercise related to relative pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. First of all, we will discuss about what is the relative pronouns. A person that shows the relationship between the noun and the words following in a sentence is known as a relative pronoun, or we can say in another word, the noun who, whose, whom, that, and which join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them. They are called relative pronouns. Okay. Here we will see something more about relative pronoun. Here the point first, who, whose and whom is used for a persons only. Okay. And the point second, which is used for non-living things and for animals. Okay. That is used for both persons and things. What refers to things only. Now we will see the first sentence. He has gone to Mumbai. Dash is his birthplace. So in this filling the blanks, we have to write down relative pronouns. Okay. So here our answer will come that. Now we will see the second sentence. The book dash you give me is a very good one. So in this filling the blanks, we have to write down relative pronoun. So here our answer will come which. Now we will see the next sentence. I know the woman dash child was hurt. So again we have to write down in this filling the blanks relative pronoun. So here our answer will come whose. Here we will see the next sentence. Dogs soon know the persons by dash they are kindly treated. So in this filling the blanks we have to write relative pronoun. So here our answer will come whom. Now we will see the next sentence. This is the juggler dash we saw yesterday. So in this filling the blanks also we have to write down relative pronoun. So here our answer will come whom. Okay. So the word juggler means a person who juggles to entertain people. Okay. Now we will see the next sentence. Here is the tea set dash I brought yesterday. So in this filling the blanks we have to fill relative pronoun. So here our answer will come which. Here is the tea set which I brought yesterday. Here we will see the next sentence. I gave her tea dash had no sugar in it. So in this filling the blanks also we have to write down a relative pronoun. So here our answer will come which. I gave her tea which had no sugar in it. Here we will see the next sentence. Ronnie is the girl dash brother is the badminton champion. So in this filling the blanks also we have to write down relative pronoun. So here our answer will come whose. Rani is the girl whose brother is the badminton champion. Here we will see the next sentence. The girl dash is playing the guitar is blind. So in this filling the blanks also we have to write down relative pronoun. So here our answer will come who. The girl who is playing the guitar is blind. Here we will see the second point, that is a filling the blanks with demonstrative pronouns. First of all, we will see what is a demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that identify nouns in a sentence. Pronouns such as this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. Or in another way we can say a demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object or objects to which it refers. Now we will see the first sentence. Dash are some difficult questions. So here in this filling the blanks these will come. Okay. So here our sentence will come. These are some difficult questions. Now we will see the second question. Dash is Andrew over there. So in this filling the blanks, that will come. So here our sentence will come, that is Andrew over there. Now we will see the third sentence. Both pen are good, but dash is better than dash. So here our, in the first fill in the blanks, this will come, and the second, that. So our sentence will come, both pens are good, but this pen is better than that. Here we will see the fourth sentence. I have lost my key. Well, dash is a silly thing to do. In this filling the blanks, this will come. So our sentence will come, I have lost my key. Well, this is a silly thing to do. Here we will see the last and the fifth sentence. I do not like to say dash, but I am not happy with the service there. So in this filling the blanks, this will come. So our sentence will come, I do not like to say this, but I am not happy with the service there.